Assalamu alaikum to all. Thanks for giving this opportunity to me. See, my today's topic is I hope today's topic is useful for everyone. I will give one clue. You have to find today's topic. It has been mentioned in many verses of Quran as a symbol of punishing unbelievers. Can you guess my topic today? Anybody? Okay, I will give more clue. In chapter 3 and verse 131, it is mentioned in Quran as, "And guard yourself against the fire which has been prepared for the unbelievers." In chapter 3 and verse 16, it is mentioned as, "Those who say, Our Lord, surely we believe. Therefore, forgive us our faults and save us from the chastisement of the fire." Can you guess? See, my today's topic is fire. What is fire? Fire is nothing but it is see, today we will see about fire. What is fire? See, are you seeing one triangle in the screen? So in this triangle, three things. This triangle is called fire triangle. In this, three things joined and form a triangle: oxygen, heat and fuel. See, if we want to put out the fire, we have to break this triangle. That means we have to cut off oxygen supply, or we have to reduce the fuel, or we have to reduce heat. See, we have to do any one thing from these three, then only we can able to put off the fire. Okay, so this work only fire extinguishers are doing. Let us see types of fires. See, in fires, so many types are there. Class A fire. Class A fire means fire due to wood and paper. Then class B, fire due to petroleum oil. Then class C, ethane, methanol gas. Okay, see, for example, are LPG gas. Class D, sodium, magnesium. Okay, due to metals, fire due to metals. Then class E fire is nothing but electrical equipment, fire from electrical equipment. Then last one, class K, is cooking oil. Okay, see, what is this? Are you seeing one picture in the screen? Can you guess what is this? Yeah, correct. It is a fire extinguisher. See, there are 5 types of fire extinguisher. Water fire extinguisher help us to put off fire from wood and paper. Okay. Then next one is carbon dioxide fire extinguisher. It help us to put off fire due to oil and petrol. Then third type of fire extinguisher is foam fire extinguisher. Okay, foam fire extinguisher is called ABC type. Okay, that means it used for 3 purposes. Then power fire extinguisher. Okay, power fire extinguisher. Next one, wet fire extinguisher. Okay, it helps us to put off fire due to cooking. Okay, see, next we are going to see parts of extinguisher. Okay, first one is discharge lever, then discharge looking pin and seal, discharge hose, then pressure gauge, carrying handle, data plate and its body. Okay, see, how many of you know to use the extinguisher? fire extinguisher. We have to see four things in this. Okay, first one is pull, then aim, squeeze and sweep. Okay, let us see how to use an extinguisher. Okay, see, first you have to pull the pin. Okay, pull the pin of the extinguisher. Understood? That is first thing. Okay, then next one is you have to aim. Okay, you have to aim the fire. Then third one, you have to squeeze the handle with full force. Okay, then fourth one is you have to sweep side to side. Okay. Next, here one example video is there how to use the extinguisher. See, first you have to pull the pin. Okay, then second one you have to aim. Okay, where you have to use it, you have the aim. Then third one you have to squeeze the handle. Okay, squeeze the handle. Then fourth one is you have to sweep. Okay, fourth one you have to sweep the extinguisher. This is the way how to use the fire extinguisher. Next, let us see how to handle the fire in electrical appliances. Okay, see, it is very I hope it is very useful for everyone. See, suddenly if any electrical fire happen in our houses or in our working places, okay, we should know how to handle it. Okay, that only I am going to explain in this session. See, most of the time in industries or apartments, fire is caused by electrical faults. Okay, being aware of the things to do handle electrical fire, when an electrical fire breaks out, could one day save your as well as your co-workers' life. Okay, see, in most of the places in apartments or most of the accidents of fire accidents we are hearing due to electrical faults. Okay, see, everyone must know how to handle the electrical faults. Okay, see, first what we have to do, we will discuss about causes and sources of electrical fire. Okay, first हम डिस्कस करेंगे what are the causes and sources of electrical fires. First is old wiring. As wire gets old, it gradually loses and the strength of insulating materials and the joints become loose. Okay, if wires जो old हो जाता है उसका insulating materials, see, all the wires are covered with insulating materials. Inside this aluminum or copper wires are there, that wires are insulated by a insulating material. Insulating material is nothing but it avoid current to flow outside. Okay, so next one is overloaded circuit. If current becomes higher than the rating, the conductor becomes extremely hot and catches fire. So we should not overload the circuit. Okay, see, each wire has some capacity. Okay, we should not overload the circuits. For example, if we have only 5 liters of a water can, if we fill more water, means what will happen? It will overload and flow out. Okay, like that same, if circuits are overloaded, that conductor become extremely hot. Okay, it becomes hot and catches fire. So in this conductor is nothing but it conducts the current. Okay, see, all the conductors have some capacity to conduct the current. If it exists more, it becomes hot and catches the fire. So overloaded circuit, see, we have to use limited things. So what should do in case of fire? So suppose fire catches in the electrical wires, what we have to do? First we have to try to find the source of the fire and switch off the main switch. Okay, see, first we have to switch off the main switch. Wherever fire catches, फर्स्ट थिंग वी हैव टू डू इज स्विच ऑफ द मेन स्विच. पहला हम मेन स्विच को ऑफ करना है. देन try to extinguish the fire throwing dry sand on it. So what extinguisher we have to use here? Dry sand. Okay, we have to use only dry sand on electrical fires. So never ever use water. We should not use water on the electrical fire because water is a good conductor. Okay, it easily conducts the current. If we put water on the circuit, it then use class C type fire extinguisher. Before turning an extinguisher on an electrical fire, check the classification code letter. So in all the extinguisher classification code letters are written. Okay, in that you have to check what type of extinguisher is that. So only we have to use C type fire extinguisher on electrical fires. Okay, see, it's very important. Never ever use water because it increase the fire. It is a good conductor. Got it? So next one is most extinguishers are marked as multi-purpose class A, B, C, which means that they were suitable for a wide range of fire types. So in most of the fire extinguishers it is written as three code letters A, B, C. That means it we can use for so many purposes. Okay, see here five types of fire extinguishers are given. A type is for cloth, wood, rubber, paper and plastics. Then B is for gasoline, grease, oil. C. Okay, next let us see. Suppose fire catches in your LPG means how you have to put off it. Okay, next that only we are going to see. See, you have to wet a blanket. Then keep your hands inside the blanket. Then it is very easy, but you should do it carefully. See, just you have to wrap that blanket on the cylinder. That's it. Fire will put off. Then you have to close the knob. Okay, so next, suppose fire catches in the pipe. Okay, that time what you have to do is, it also very easy, but you have to do it carefully. Okay, see, for example, fire catches in the end of the pipe. Okay, first you have to close the knob. Okay, first you have to do is, you have to close the knob of the regulator. It will put off the fire automatically. Suppose sometimes you are far away from the knob, you can't close the knob, means just you have to fold the pipe. Okay, just you have to fold the pipe. If you fold the pipe, easily it put off the fire, because while folding gas supply stop in that pipe, so it easily put off the fire. Okay, so suppose for example you don't have any blanket near you or water near you, means that time how you have to put off fire in the LPGs. Okay, see, that time you need one empty bucket. Okay, one empty bucket you need. This also a easy method. That time you should not be panic. Okay, see, for example, fire catches in the LPG, you don't have any